Well, hello everyone. Maker Matt. Today we're going to unwrap the new, this is a Squier neck. There's at least 5, maybe 6, I forget how many different coats of white lacquer paint that I put on this, and it was sanded with first 220 wet dry and 500 wet dry, then 1000 wet dry. Between the coats, the last couple of coats, it was just either the 500 and the 1000, and the very before the last coat it was just the 1000. Hope you can tell, maybe you can, maybe you can't, but this is pretty much smooth as a glass, considering I don't have a spray booth. It was done just out of a rattle can in my garage. Came out really, really nice. So let's see. Again, preparation, that's 90% of it. So let's get to this and unwrap it.
Looks like everything's still in good shape.
One last piece. All right, looks like I've got a little bit of bleed through here. This will sand down nice. I will need to put some more clear on here. Some tuners were bad, missing. So I've got new tuners. I did sand off all of the Squier lettering beforehand, before painting this, so I wouldn't get any bleed through. So that's what it looks like, folks. But I'd say that came out nice. So next thing to do, I'm probably going to have to take a reamer and put in here to reopen these up to where the ferrules will fit. I really doubt these will press in now. Yeah, I'm going to have to open those up just a little bit. Back again with the neck. And I just did put a nick. I sure did.